How to review reminders to donate on Facebook Mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to review reminders to donate on Facebook Mobile. First thing, go to Facebook and click the storylines here and top corner, and then click settings and privacy, and then settings, and go down here you will find the activity log, and then go down and click look at actions and other activity, and here just go down and click this one, reminders to donate, and as you see here you can review reminders to donate activity on Facebook Mobile. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next video.